Hello and welcome again. Welcome all my viewers and subscribers to our next one. Well, today, Dancehall DJ Elephant Man. Let's go.
Sweep to the left. What you say? No linger.
O'Neil Bryan, born 11th of September 1975, better known by his stage name Elephant Man, is a Jamaican dancehall musician, having formerly been a member of the dancehall group Skadem Crew prior to his solo career. Elephant Man started out his musical career in 1995 as a member of the Skadem Crew, later continued as a solo artist. He was later characterized for several trademarks such as his dyed yellow orange hair, his unique low-key voice, and his stage performance, which including jumping and running or even climbing on stage props and monitors. His acoustic trademark is a low, raspy, gumble singing voice and light lips. Bryan had his first international recognition when he and Puma settled a contract for using his single All Out for the Olympics commercial campaign in 2004. His song Willie Bounce appeared on several mixtapes in early 2006. It used the first few bars from I Will Survive by Gloria Gaynor. Elephant Man's most recognizable songs, with the corresponding dance still enjoying popularity as of 2015. Bryan signed with New York-based label Bad Boy Records and released Let's Get Physical on 6th of November 2007. The first single was called 5-0 and featured Wyclef Jean. Another track on the album featured Busta Rhymes, and it was produced by Cypher, Sound and Solitaire. Many of Elephant Man's songs are found on various rhythm-driven albums by VP Records and Greensleeve Records rhythm album series. He performed on popular rhythms such as Duale,
Me and my crew got the whole city locked. Impress the girl them with the style what we got.
Cooley, Steps and Bubble Up. The Gully Creeper dance, for which Bryan created a song, was danced by Usain Bolt at the 2008 Summer Olympics in Beijing, after winning the gold medal and breaking a world record in 200-meter sprint. In 2009, Elephant Man released a cover of the song We Are the World in tribute of Michael Jackson. Bryan had been criticized for his lyrics, allegedly calling for violence against gays. In 2003, British LGBT group Outrage called for the arrest and prosecution of several dancehall stars including Elephant Man, Bounty Killer and Beenie Man for violation of 8 crimes. In 2004, he was dropped from the MOBO Awards. Since then, pressure from his record company and agreement with gay rights groups to avoid songs with lyrics deemed to incite homophobic violence have allowed him to perform in the UK. In 2009, his scheduled appearance at Toronto's Caribana Festival was cancelled for similar reasons. A concert in Munich was cancelled in February 2015 after LGBT rights group had asked the police to make sure he would not perform songs which call upon people to murder gays. And these were just allegations, so let me use the word alleged. So people don't want to think that these artists was inciting too much violence and them thing there. You know, once upon a time the artists them, you know, singing about certain gays and them thing there, the gay people them, they used to just go around and protest and wanted their show to be cancelled and all of that. So the artists them went through a lot of that back then. So you know the rainbow people them and them LGB or whatever them name did a protest against a lot of the artists them back in them time there, saying that they were inciting violence and all of those stuff, you know. In January 2012, Brian was arrested and charged with the rape and grievous essaying of a 31-year-old woman who accused him of assaulting her in his home in St. Andrew. And that's alleged. In February 2016, the case was dropped due to the passing of the complainant. And now in 2025, Elephant Man now enjoy his success with the song Pretty Pretty Baby.
Me pretty pretty baby, yeah, me pretty pretty.
Well, anyway, you know, Elephant Man is a very energetic performer. Anyway, he touch on stage, you know, he will always jumping all around the place, finding something to climb, and you know, sometimes him the way up on the lighting thing them and the box and them thing there. And yeah man, he's a very energetic performer. And so I hope you like this and you found out more what you didn't know about Elephant Man. So remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. So that's where we leave you today. I hope you enjoy the program. Remember, we are on the road to 1,000. I don't know why it's taking so long, people. Just share up the thing them now and send me to the 1,000. Yeah man, don't slow it down, I beg you. Thanks for watching. But before we go away, I'm gonna leave you with a little short performance from Elephant Man. Let's go.
Let's sing.
So where them I say, dance will never die.
Could it, what that say? Swing you away.
It's a joy to see everybody dancing all night. Say your mama.
You're too hot, man. We have one back, man. You're too bad, man. Jump. We have one back, man. You're too bad, man. Level. Everybody in the club. What Mr. We got one bad, man. We ain't no Christians. You're too bad, man. You're too bad. Come on. So we try. Everybody from Trinidad. Keep the crossing. Boy. Come on. We are loving. What did Trinidad there? What did Jamaica there? 1, 2, 3. We do there. It's a life, we are in a life. Jump for that though. Jump for that. What did Trinidad there? Watch it. We want. Come on. We let go. Everybody follow me. Stop the trap. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.